never noticed that. Yeah, I ain't never been. What's the first thing? Cause the first thing I think of when I think of Pittsburgh is I think the only thing I heard Pittsburgh is the Steelers. That's it. I ain't heard that name for nothing else, man. What else do we need them for? Like, what else they known for? Like, you know how Florida known for the... Damn, what is they known for? The orange or the peach? I think it's the big peach. Hey, Florida known for the oranges or the peaches?
Huh?
What's Florida known for? Oh, Georgia the big peach,
Georgia's
right?
the peaches.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, Georgia peach, that's what it is. Yeah, I got it now. I'm trying to get everything situated, man. Yeah, man, I was with the Stone Vet earlier. Steel City. Oh, Pittsburgh is Steel. Oh, the Steelers. Oh, so they got a lot of steel out there. Oh, they done already took all of it. Oh, okay.
China got steel overseas.
Oh, okay. So now they just getting the steel overseas.
I don't know if they still make anything. I think they took most of it out.
So what is the Pittsburgh known and good for nowadays? Like what? Why do people go there? Damn, it sounds like he gonna break something. He done turned the windshield wipers on. He need to.
So whatever it was, might have been water.
Oh, this the one who broke earlier? Damn. I told him he gonna turn something up. Hey man, hold on. Yo shit making all these extra noises and Yello Belly closed at 2 o'clock today. China stole. Oh shit. Damn. Come on, man. Let's get some track love, man. Man, I think he's something with the it's something in the transmission since it's rolling back with no problem. I ain't making no problem without being in gear. So it's something in that transmission, yeah. Which one? Oh, man, that was a close one. I know, close. You jumped out there on it, you had a good light. Man, I was thinking he was supposed to come around, but you surprised me when you got to the 60 foot and was still in front.
Like, right there.
Man, I told you, go on, peel it up, man.
It's
Quit
already
playing.
200 shot.
Nah, that ain't enough. I ain't in nothing fast. I'm in that little Honda. Bullshit Honda. I'm trying to save. Who that? Gabe's eye. Appreciate the follow, man. They done tow up. We still waiting on this Tesla. Here go a turbo Mustang though, y'all. While you wait. Catch me in the morning, in at night. Over and over. But I never make time.
This is the back, it's way in the back here.
I finally, what's up with it, man? Nothing much, yes sir. I finally done got her shirt, y'all. Some of y'all don't know about it, but yeah, man. I had one subscriber, she been asking me for this shirt for about 2 months. I've been trying to move. It might have been just a month, but still. Gotta put my little exaggeration on it. That haircut is wrong with America. Hey. Okay, somebody brought a little fox body. I got the stream boss up there. Look out. I see you got your little Mustang out. You about to do something? You got some nitrous? Okay, you on the motor? Okay. He on the motor, y'all. You gotta file a little conversion, though. You gotta watch him. Let me see what else back here. Need to see if oh, it done got packed up back here, y'all. Where's Murder? He up there in the front. He looking a little drunk. Yeah, he was. Look a little stressed out. He came to the track to relieve some stress, y'all. Fuck it, I'm gonna take baby out. Put a little gas. Look out. You got it? Yeah. Omar, man. Man, I seen people online calling you out, man. I'm like, not Omar. He made sure Omar Extreme. That's God damn. That's the one I know. God damn, man. They finally ain't scared of you no more. They done went and got a Mustang and set it up like yours. I hope you got it, man. He ain't did nothing yet, so I don't know if he fast enough to beat you or not. I ain't seen no shakedown or nothing. Yeah, Sunday, y'all. It's going down. It's gonna be Omar versus Luke Kane. It's another little Mustang set up kind of like his. I think he got a turbo, but Omar usually don't. He ain't the one who sets up the race. He's just the one that gets called out. He will show up. He will show up, but hey, he got a race coming up. Oh, we got a student driver here. I don't see that Tesla yet. Or Home Depot. Home Depot here. Okay. Team Thundercock say he gonna send me some shirt. They're about to light a cigarette with a cigarette. Yep. That's exactly what he was about to do. Yeah, man, that time slip ain't gonna change, man. I told him gonna throw a little more 50 on there, man. He gonna cover him next time. 50 more. That ain't gonna hurt the motor. Y'all got progressive or no? No progressive.
No progressive.
It is harder. Damn, man. Damn. Y'all need a little more juice.
Wait for that 4-week.
Ready for a 4-8?
I'm building that 4-week over here.
Oh, okay. It's coming up, y'all. They finna build a 4-8. Damn, 195. Okay. Let me see. Who was that just followed? Fat Cock. Oh, shit. Fat Cock, you know Team Thundercock. All these goddamn cocks in my stream.
7-0, 8-0, come on. 8-0, 7-0, come on, let's go.
Shit, let's get this shit started.
All right, they finna get it started, y'all. 7-0.